Welcome to Jamaican Culture with Shar. As you know, tonight is Friday night. I guess everybody hanging out. Jamaicans don't cook on Fridays. I can tell you that. Everybody go and get their food, or after work we have after work jam. I guess everybody jamming right now, drinking. Even fruit juice, whatever. But it's on a Friday in Jamaica. It's like, yay, it's the end of the week. The work week is done. Put the work behind us, and then it's all about fun. I don't know, since COVID, most people just go home and relax, and you don't really go nowhere because of this lady. But we always look forward to Friday. We don't cook. Yeah, if you feel like you just make like a one pot meal, if you feel like, and if you feel like you just go buy food, as I said, it's not normal anymore. So I don't know what everybody doing now, but as for me, I just stay in, cooling out and drinking, and drink my tea, my ginger tea I have here, and sharing some time with you guys. Now we want to go into a little of our riddles. Remember that? Wriggle me this, wriggle me that. But we're not gonna do no wriggle me this and wriggle me that. We're just gonna, read some. I just want to share some of my little, thing that I have here with you. Like, what goes up but never comes down? What go up but never come down? Me don't know. Your age. Remember when you're 100, it now drop back down to 99? It stay up 100 or go further. What has legs but can't walk? It has two backs. What has legs? Me think say, me know why not. Me think say a chair. Mm-hmm. Chair. It has two legs and it has a back. And then it said, the longer it stays, the shorter it gets. The longer it stays, the shorter it gets. The longer it stays, the shorter it gets. I wonder what that. Oh, me know a candle. When look, burn it, you light the candle, and it stay long enough, but it getting shorter and shorter. What eyes? What has eyes and cannot see? What eyes and cannot see? Needle. Whose bed is always wet? I know for me no wet for bed. I feel, I know you, me no know. The riverbed. She tore her yellow dress, but no one can fix it. Tear her yellow dress, but no one can fix it. Oh, right, banana. What years? Years, but other people use it more than you. What yours? What belongs to you? But other people tend to use it more than you. And you're one enough, but other people I use it. Remember them I use it. Your name. Mm-hmm. Your name. Every minute people are call you. And my name, but them are call me every minute. Dirt drip in a well. The well get full. Dirt drip in a well. The well get full. I. The I. All doctors. All doctors go to university. All doctors. Every doctors have to go to university. Except this one here. Which doctor you don't want to go to university? The doctor bird. What has a head and mouth but cannot wear hat? What has a head and a mouth and doesn't wear hat? Me no know the one day. Room full all full, cannot get a spoonful. We used to hear that. Room full all full, but can I get a spoonful? Smoke. If 3 7 is 21, how much is 7 trees? If 3 3 7 is 21, how much is 7 beds? A small woodland. Jigger room, jigger all, stand up in a corner. Jigger room, jigger all, stand up in a corner. Then say a broom. What is the difference between a planting and a planting? What is the difference between a planting and a tailor? What is the difference between a planting and a tailor? It says to cut, and the tailor must cut to fit. Okay, the planting must fit, must mature to cut. It has to be fit to cut. And the tailor must cut to fit. Why did the donkey go over the mountain? Why did the donkey go over the mountain? Because it cannot go under it. What do trains and clothes have in common? Train and clothes have in common. Line. They both spend a lot of time on the line. Yes. One slice of yam serves the whole world. One slice of yam serves the whole world. One slice of yam serves the whole world. I'm talking about the moon. And the last one now. Round like a biscuit, busy like a bee. Round like a biscuit, busy like a bee. That's a clock. Why do we have to go to bed? Why do we have to go to bed? Why do we have to go to bed? Because the bed cannot come to us. If you like this video, please thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Friday night, happy Friday night. Sit back, enjoy whatever you're doing. And thanks as always for watching.